Hello everyone, welcome back to TechSgems. In today's video, I will show you how to turn dark mode on or off on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, open the setting app on your phone. Next, tap on display. At the top of the screen, you will see light mode and dark mode. If your phone is currently using light mode, simply tap dark mode to turn it on, and your phone will instantly switch to dark mode. To switch back, just tap the light mode. You can also set dark mode to turn on and off automatically. Tap on dark mode settings and look for the scheduled option. You can choose sunset to sunrise, and your phone will automatically turn on dark mode at the night and switch back to light mode during the day. You can also choose a custom schedule and set your own start and end times. Or if you prefer, you can turn the schedule off and switch between light mode and dark mode manually whenever you want. And that's it. That's how you can enable or disable dark mode on your Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.